Ever wondered why those small grainy growths appear on your hands or feet? Yes, we're talking about warts. Warts are common skin issues caused by the human papillomavirus. While generally harmless, they can be a nuisance, often causing discomfort and detracting from your skin's natural beauty. The good news is that medical treatments are available. However, if you're looking for a more natural approach, homemade remedies could be the answer. While there are medical treatments available, have you ever considered tackling this issue using homemade remedies? One of the most effective and popular homemade remedies for warts is garlic. This humble kitchen staple, known for its robust flavor, also packs a punch with its antiviral properties. These properties are key in combating the virus that causes warts. To use garlic as a wart remedy, you'll need to chop a clove into small pieces. Apply these pieces directly to the wart, taking care to cover it completely. Secure the garlic with a bandage, ensuring that it stays in contact with the wart. Leave this on overnight, allowing the garlic to work its magic while you sleep. Repeat this process nightly until the wart disappears. Garlic not only adds flavor to your dishes, but it can also help you get rid of those stubborn warts. Another effective remedy that you can find right in your kitchen is apple cider vinegar. This humble ingredient packs a punch when it comes to battling warts, thanks to its acidic properties. These properties can help to kill the virus causing the wart and gradually peel it off. Here's how to use it. First, dilute the apple cider vinegar with an equal amount of water. Then soak a cotton ball in this solution. Carefully apply the damp cotton ball directly on the wart and secure it with a bandage. For best results, perform this ritual every night before bed and keep it on until morning. Continue this process until the wart disappears. Apple cider vinegar, a common ingredient in your pantry, can be a powerful ally against warts. Homemade remedies are not only cost-effective, but they also allow you to treat your warts in the comfort of your own home. We've explored two highly effective remedies today: the pungent yet powerful garlic and the versatile apple cider vinegar. Both are easy to apply and, when used consistently, can yield impressive results. But remember, consistency is key. It's like watering a plant. You can't just do it once and expect it to flourish. However, let's not forget that while these remedies are reliable, they are not substitutes for professional medical advice. If your wart persists or it's causing you discomfort, do consult a healthcare professional. So now the power to treat warts naturally is in your hands. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to Remedy Seeker for more health tips and remedies. Remember, your health is in your hands.